Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add another profile on Disney Plus, complete setup step by step clearly. Open the Disney Plus app on your TV, phone, tablet, or visit disneyplus.com on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Disney Plus account that will own the new profile. Go to the profile selection screen if you see it, or continue to the home screen if you are already inside the app. Find your profile icon, usually in the top right corner on most devices, and select it. In the menu that opens, choose Edit Profiles. Look for the Add Profile option and select it to start creating a new profile. Type a name for the new profile using the on-screen keyboard. Choose an avatar by selecting one of the character icons shown on the screen. If the profile is for a child, turn on the Kids Profile option to limit content appropriately. If you do not see a kid's toggle, open Parental Controls later from Account Settings to set age ratings. Select Save or Done to create the profile and return to the Profiles list. Select the new profile to confirm it loads correctly and opens Disney Plus. If you want to change the profile name or avatar later, open the Profile icon menu again. Choose Edit Profiles and select the profile you want to update. Change the name, switch the avatar, and then select Save to apply changes. To set content restrictions, open the Profile icon menu and choose Account. Under your account, open Profiles and select the profile you want to manage. Choose Parental Controls and then select Content Rating. Enter your Disney Plus account password when prompted for security. Pick the correct age rating level for that profile and confirm the selection. If you want extra protection, enable a profile PIN for that profile. Create a 4-digit PIN and confirm it to prevent others from opening that profile. Return to the profile screen to make sure the new settings are saved. If you are on a TV and cannot type easily, consider doing the setup on your phone using the same account. If Add Profile is missing, check that you have not reached the maximum number of profiles allowed on the account. If you reach the limit, delete an unused profile from Edit Profiles, then try adding again. If changes do not appear, fully close the app and reopen it, or sign out and sign back in. Repeat the same steps anytime you want to add another profile for family members or guests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.